Hi guys, Philip harvesting our tomato here at the backyard.
Wow, look at what I got, honey.
Why? This must be a history now. End of the tomato.
Look at.
Oh wow, that's so many. They still up there.
Yeah, this is going to be close to the end of it, but even after such a long period of time with no rain, it's just
Still
absolutely
producing.
amazing.
Yeah, must be. That's the end of it. No
Yeah, a
more.
whole bunch of peppers here too, honey.
No more flowers. This must be a cherry tomato.
Oh yeah, they're all cherry tomatoes, honey.
Here, can you get the other one? I drop it.
Well, look at.
Oh yeah. Very good. You can see that. Oh wow, that's so yummy.
We should make a soup today.
What kind of soup?
Well, maybe I'll pull the beans out and let's make a bean soup, but instead of a beef stock, let's do a tomato stock. That way we can add the peppers, the tomatoes.
Wow, so many guys. Harvesting our last tomato
Yeah,
here.
this is probably pretty close. We'll have a few more here
No,
because...
there's a no, the second batch.
Yeah.
But the first batch is...
Yeah, that's pretty well done. We got another big one over there that'll come.
Mm.
And another one down there. But, well, there's 3 of them there. But, yeah. I want to get a video of this too. This is so good.
Yep.
So good.
You go ahead.
Yeah. And I mean, especially
There
after
there is some.
the 6, oh, no.
No?
Bugs.
Bugs.
Yeah.
This might be history now.
Yeah, that's probably at an end here. You need to start redoing it.
There is one. That's okay.
But, yeah, so nice. But
Very
yeah,
nice. Very fresh.
Oh, yeah. Even like I said, there, basically...
You'll just save that one for salad.
No. We've gone 6-7 weeks without any rain, and still the plants are producing, which is amazing.
Don't cook that one. Make soap.
Well, we don't have to use it all. You got a bunch inside too. We'll and I got cans of stewed tomatoes that I can put in there too. So a lot of different things we can do, honey.